Hello there! Are you a student or professional seeking to learn and improve on the skills of seismic inversion and AVO interpretation? If yes, then you are at the right place to be now. LV Energy Training is hosting a specialized online training program on seismic inversion and AVO attribute analysis this July. Live on Zoom from 7 o'clock to 9 p.m. West African time daily. The training is structured to equip participants with a deep understanding of seismic inversion and AVO analysis. The first module covers AVA versus AVO. Learn things like lithology and fluid responses, reflection, coefficient, and angle of incidence, amplitude interpretation and quantitative properties, processing of seismic data and volumes, stacked data, gathers, and offsets. In the second module, the focus shifts to seismic inversion and rock properties. These includes basics of rock physics and petroelastic properties, estimation of attributes, AVO attributes, intercept gradient, Poisson ratio, shear modulus, Shui fluid factor, P impedance, S impedance, density, P wave and S wave velocity ratios, elastic impedances from seismic and well-logged data. In the third and final module, you'll learn AVO modeling and practical applications, gain knowledge on determination of thickness, lithology and fluid content, reservoir AVO modeling, porosity, density, velocity, rock property modeling, calibration using available well-logged data, near versus far dataset and fluid effect, direct hydrocarbon indicators, hands-on practice using industry software. If you are a professional or someone who is interested or involved in quantitative interpretation, reservoir modeling, or seismic attribute analysis, this training is definitely for you. By the end of the training, a certificate of completion will be issued to you.
Additionally, we offer courses and trainings such as Geosciences Laboratory Analysis, Field Training, Digital Technology Application in the E&P industry, and software trainings.
Whether you're just starting or looking to specialize, LV gives you practical training, flexible options, and career-transforming opportunities. Enroll today, and let's shape the future of energy together.
For further inquiries, WhatsApp +234 908 027 8616. Call +234 703 7628 734. Visit our website at www.iesog.com. Connect with our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you.